We
Facts.
don't own no businesses. We don't have no cultural values and morals. We don't have none of those things. The scale is tipping.
Yeah.
And it's not tipping in balance, tipping out of balance.
Yeah, so we want to do a lot more work in this field on this topic of overcoming anxiety, depression, and these type of things with Ori work, with being in alignment with your destiny, with learning how to think. I think it's so important, and it was so impactful to me, the things that I've learned and have been taught through IFA and through the lineage of all of the ancestral wisdom, because Sadhguru is Indian, right? Africa, India are very ancient.
They have ancient ways
cultures and
ancient
very similar, bodies of wisdom that teach us how to have the best life we can have on this earth. We're gonna be doing a lot more in this on this topic.
A lot of work.
It's important.
We're gonna be doing a lot of work with Ori, but also a lot of work with community and with school, and all of these things is what brings the percentage of depression down. Is when you got an understanding of your Ori, when you got an understanding of community and your place in community.
Yeah.
When you have the support system of your family. When you have the support system of your Egbe, and I'm talking about your heavenly peers and
your earthly
peers as well. When you have an understanding of these things and you're no longer cutting yourself off from talking and speaking and you have a space that you can go to and speak on how you feel and what's going on with you. It don't have to be all bad that's going on with you. It can be good things that's going on with you, but you're able to speak and people are able to speak to you back and give you ideas and share their experiences with you as you sharing your experience with them about what you're going through. And you can dialogue with people. These are the things that bring down the percentage of depression, and it brings the community up.